I don't know how these are going to turn out, but we are definitely about to dive in.
And no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day.
What's up, guys? It's girl Shantae. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be some DIY Christmas ornaments. I have been putting this off forever, so we're about to jump right in and get started. I got these ornaments from Michael's. They were only $2.99 each, and I really wanted the ones that you could pull apart because they seem like they would be easier to work with. So I definitely picked up 4 of those, one for each of my children that are here. So I am going to bust open one of these or all of these ornaments and get started. Now, the little bitty ornaments that you see here in the red boxes I got from Target. And I got the Sharpie paint pens from Amazon. I got the glitter from Amazon, and I got the little green and red bows from Dollar Tree. So, you know where I got everything. Let's just jump right into the video and watch me work this magic. So I'm only choosing 3 of the ornaments for each of the big ornaments because I don't want the big ornaments to be too heavy. So that's why I'm only choosing 3, and I believe they are reflective of what each of the kids like. So I'm choosing things that they might be interested in or they are already interested in, and some things that reflect their personality. Here I am just going to hot glue the strings to the top of the ornament so that way they stay and they also dangle in the middle of the ornament. I'm just putting a little glue at the top, and then I'm just going to press the strings to the glue on each one. That's all that I'm doing. So I put the ornaments on the string, I tie them up in a knot, and then I put the hot glue at the top of the ornament and press the strings into the hot glue for a few seconds just to make sure that they stay. gluing the strings on the inside of the top of the ornament, not the outside of the top of the ornament, because you want to make sure that you're able to close the ornament when you're ready. So make sure that you're gluing on the inside and not the outside. Next, I'm going to just take a baby wipe and I'm going to wipe the inside, the interior of the ornament, and that is just to get the glitter to stay, the kind of glitter snow, and that is just to get it to stay around the ornament like a snow globe. So that's what I'm trying to create, the effect of a snow globe. So I use the baby wipe because for some reason that like chemical in the baby wipe, whatever it is, it makes it stay, it gives it that static clean without making it looks like blurry, or it just leaves the ornament clear looking. So that's the look that I'm going for. So that's my little trick. I use a baby wipe. So your hot glue gun might be better than mine, but I had to hold the strings like in place for a little few seconds just to make sure that they, stayed, and the glue got hard enough to hold it. But so you might not have to do, the whole holding thing like I just had to, but I mean, it's really just how your hot glue gun works. Are so cute. I got them from Target again, and then some of them I had to order from Target.com, but some of them were found in stores. So if you're lucky enough to find them in store right now, definitely grab them. They are so cute, and you could do a ton of DIYs with them. So after closing the ornament here, I just give it a quick shake around, like I just turn it upside down and, left to right, just to get that snowy globe effect all around the ornament, the inside of the ornament. And I think it looks so cute right now. that is what the snow globe effect is going to look like. So I'm just going to complete that with the rest of the ornaments, the snow globe ornaments, and I am going to finish them off once I close them off. Now I'm going to take my red Sharpie paint pen and I'm going to write the kids' names on the front of the ornaments. Now you can use anything you want. You could use a regular Sharpie or whatever kind of marker you got, or paint. It really doesn't matter. I just had these on hand. So I'm going to use these to draw the kids' names on the front of the ornaments. And these pens actually write really good and they dry really fast. So I love these. There really wasn't any drying time at all for these ornaments, so what I did was I went ahead and used some more of that little gold string that came in the red boxes with the ornaments, and I'm just going to tie them into the holes so that the ornaments have something to be hung with. And then I'm going to grab a red or green bow from the pack that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to stick that through the hole as well, and then just wrap it around and be done. as you can see, these ornaments don't stand up well, but they don't need to stand up. They just need to go on a tree and be able to fit nicely. I mean, how cute are these little ornaments? And it really didn't cost me much to put them together, and it is so, so adorable. The kids love them. They love how they have their names on them, how they're clear, they can see through them, and they can also see the little ornaments inside. It's a cute little snow globe for the kids to interact with and play with. Sometimes, not all the time, but if you guys like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel because you don't want to miss all the rest of Vlogmas that we've got going on here. I appreciate you guys for being here. Thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, I will see you in the next video.